Who wants some? I'm early for once. Hey, happy Sunday. I want to wish everybody a happy Resurrection Sunday. Thank you to everyone who donated to the Easter drive. We were able to do 40 Easter bun and cheese packages for families in Jamaica. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We sent 20 to Pike, and we had one person distribute 8, one person distribute another 12. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy Easter. This is my own bun and cheese, so don't think that I used your money to buy my bun and cheese, but thank you so much. I want to say thank you to you. Hey. Thank you to the bestie for donating, and thank you to Roshane for donating. We had 2 donors this time. But thank you. Happy Resurrection Sunday this week. Let's resurrect joy. Let's resurrect strength in our life. Let's resurrect our bountiful life. Let's resurrect passion. Happy Resurrection Sunday.